Who is this man in the photo, Mom?
That man is your grandfather, Megan.
Why do you never talk about him?
Because he hurt our family very deeply many years ago.
What happened, Mom?
When I was a little girl, your grandfather threw me and my pregnant mother out of our home because he wanted a son instead of daughters.
He really did that to you?
Yes, Megan. And this old picture is the only photo I still have with him.
Were you frightened, Mom?
Very frightened. But your grandmother protected me and my little sister with all her love and strength.
Did Grandpa really hate girls?
He believed girls were weak, useless, and a burden.
What happened after that?
Come sit next to me, Megan, and I will tell you the story of my childhood from the very beginning.
Is it a girl?
Robert, that is your own flesh and blood.
I do not want to spend my entire life raising a house full of worthless daughters. Take them away and consider it my final act of generosity, because I already have a new wife now.
That fool deserves to lose every single thing he owns.
No! No, Eva. I am your father.
You are not my father. Dad, look at this. I made this drawing today. I drew our whole family together.
Stop wasting your precious time on meaningless nonsense. If you spent even half of this energy on something important and valuable, perhaps I would finally feel proud and satisfied.
I only wanted to show Dad the family picture I carefully drew.
If you were a boy, at least I could expect something impressive and useful.
Eva, Robert, dinner is ready. Come sit down and eat. Eva, I have a secret to tell you. You are going to have a little sibling soon.
I will share my toys and help Mom take care of the new baby. If the baby is a little girl, I will give her my favorite pink blanket too.
Be quiet! This family does not need another useless daughter.
Robert, please stop. That child belongs to both of us.
My child needs to be a strong son who can inherit this entire estate and continue the family name. Daughters only know how to eat, complain, cry, and waste money.
Dad, I can help too.
You are already useless enough as it is.
No matter what happens, Mom will always protect both of you children.
Is it a girl?
Robert, she is still your own child.
I need a son, not another burden to carry. If you cannot give me a son, then leave this house immediately. I refuse to raise a group of useless women.
Dad, please. It is freezing cold outside tonight.
I am sorry, Eva.
Mom, please do not apologize, because we still have each other.
I failed as a mother. I could not even give you a safe roof over your heads.
No, Mom. None of this is your fault. I will collect the leaking water, Mom. Please stay where you are and do not move. The baby needs warmth and protection. I am all right.
Thank you, Eva. You are such a smart, caring, and thoughtful little girl. Eva, you should eat something. I already ate earlier.
This food is for Mom and the baby. I only need a tiny portion for myself.
Eva, thank you so much. I need to work harder and earn more money somehow.
Car wash. Get your dirty car sparkling clean and shiny.
This little girl advertises better than grown adults. Then wash this car for me, little girl.
Yes, sir.
A pregnant woman washing cars out here on the street? How embarrassing and pathetic.
My mother is working honestly and earning money with dignity. That is something honorable and respectable, not something shameful. Do not cry, Mom. I will always protect you and my little sister. Mom, will we ever become successful?
One day we will have our own real business and store, Eva.
Look over there. The Queen and her tiny princess are washing another person's car now.
Robert?
Dad?
Is this really your ex-wife who failed to give you a son?
Clean my tires and shoes while you are down there. Women like you only deserve to scrub dirt from the ground.
Do not speak to my mother like that ever again.
Get lost, you little brat! Pick that up immediately. Consider it my generous act of charity.
One day you will regret all this pride and arrogance.
Mom, we are going to prove him completely wrong.
Why did you choose the name Prince's Auto?
Because many people used to say girls are weak, useless, and worthless. We want to build a powerful empire that proves the strength, intelligence, and success of women.
That fool deserves to lose every single thing he owns.
She actually took all my money away from me. What? Impossible. The company cannot really collapse and disappear. I cannot believe I lost absolutely everything. Please hire me. I can work any job and do anything.
No, you are deeply in debt and far too old for this position.
No, please, give me a chance and hire me.
What is happening here?
Mary Eva, it is me. Eva Sandra betrayed and deceived me. I lost everything I had. Please give me one more chance to return. Let us become a real family again.
Do not touch my mother with those disgusting, filthy hands.
Eva, I am your father.
You are not my father. You are the man who threw us outside into the cold rain and called us worthless burdens.
You once said women only know how to waste money and cry. Now you are kneeling on the ground, begging for help from the empire built by the same women you abandoned and rejected.
Mary, please, give me another chance.
Throw this man out immediately. He ruined and dirtied my beautiful red carpet.
No, please, do not do this to me.